Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to take photo from a video here in CapCut. All right. So first up, upload your video. For example, this video right here. Just hit on open, wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and drag it to the editor right here. Wait for it. And once done, go ahead and find the specific moment where you wanted to take a screenshot or photo. For example, this area right here, this one. Okay. Now to take the photo, just go to the top right. And here in the player section, we have the three horizontal lines. Just click on it and just click on export still frame. Okay. Click on it. You can go ahead and rename it. For example, a screenshot. Okay. At export to, select the specific folder. Say I'm going to go ahead and save it under Slob's recording folder right here. I'm going to select it. And then the resolution, select the correct resolution. Okay. If you want 8K, go ahead and choose it. If you want 4K, go ahead and choose it. Format, PNG or JPEG. Okay. Once that's done, click on export. And after that, here you have your screenshot. Okay. There you have it. That is it. You can go ahead and check it out right here under the folder where you saved it. There you go. And that is how you take a photo from a video here in CapCut. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.